Hey y'all, happy April 14th. It is Tuesday and I'm just off work. I'm chilling in Victor's car, waiting for him at his job. So yeah. Anyway, just wanted to say hello. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please hit the like, subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the video. Oh my God, look at the babies. Oh, hi Mama. Hi Mama. Where are you? Oh my God. Oh my God.
2, 4, 6, 8, like 10.
Oh,
Like 10, huh?
so cute.
Yeah, I hope she will cross the street.
Yeah, don't cross the street, Mama. Okay, stay right there. Oh my God, they're so fucking cute. Okay, bye. People, I feel like a Disney princess because the past few days I've had animals just around me everywhere. And I love it. Look at these two little babies. They just flew in here. Well, flew on the fence and then they both landed at the same time. Hi, baby. I'm sorry, I don't have anything to feed you. Sorry, baby. Next time I'll bring you some goodies. Come to my hand. Come to my, oh, flew away. All right, sorry, buddy. I'll leave you. More pets. All right, guys, I'm hoping you don't fall down. I have you wedged between the windshield, the dashboard, and Victor's quick release steering wheel. So there's a very delicate balance here going on, okay? But I just wanted to say hello. Today is Thursday, the 16th. Yeah. And I got my April Ipsy bag. I love it. I'm so excited. Okay. Now, I did kind of accidentally open it and started doing a video, and I thought I was doing a video. I was not recording. So anyway, good thing I caught it, like, right away. But anyway, yay, Ipsy! It is our April bag, and this one, I'm excited because I chose a really cute product to go in my bag that I want to try out. So, all right, you guys, Ipsy. All right, here is my little card. Dare to Dream. Oh no, Dare to Daydream, April 2026. On the back is a sneak peek of the items that I'm probably going to get next month. It's a brush, a cleanser, and I think it's a highlighter. So that's hopefully going to be coming in the next delivery. All right. Okie doke. Let's start off with, where did I get? The concealer. Okay, so actually this little card I'm sorry, I keep looking around because there's people walking by like with their dogs. And it just freaks me out because they're coming out from like behind this fence, and it just freaks me out. Anyway. All right. So Mo Beauty Mo Covered Longwear Concealer in Fair. That is what is this one? Yeah, Mo Beauty Longwear Concealer. And that looks like a full-size sample. So that's cool. Awesome. Can't wait to try this. Next item is Memoir Archives First Class Deluxe Sample. Okay, yeah, dude. Okay, this is full size, right? The concealer. MSRP is $14. Okay. I only pay about $17 a month for my subscription. So this is already more than half worth what I'm getting, So there's a second item, and this is the Memoir Archives First Class. This is a deluxe sample. MSRP of this product, This size, $60. $60. Okay. Well, thanks, Ipsy, because I'm not going to pay $60 for that. But I do want to smell it. So, Memoir First Class, you guys. It's nice. I don't know if that's the name of the perfume, though, is it? Yeah, I think it's called First Class. All right, let's see. Sorry, I just got a message on my phone, a text. All right. I don't know what the number 14 stands for. Don't know. Is it number 14? It says fragranced with notes of sparkling yuzu, white peony, coconut milk, and sky musk. Ooh. Ooh, this smells good. Hang on. Oh my. Okay. 14. First class. Yeah, I don't know what the number means. But if you do, let assistant know. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my God. You know what? It's really musky in a good way. I'm not too much of a fan of musk, but I know my niece is. So, Lauren, this one's for you, honey. Oh, it smells so good though. Like, I like it. I just don't want it on me. Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Next item on my little card is, the Totemica Beauty Lip and Cheek Keychain. Yay. Oh yeah, this is the one I selected. So, you know, every month they give you a selection, and I chose this because I thought it was cool, you know. Let's open it. Oopsie. So I just dropped you. Sorry about that. Hold on. Sorry, I dropped you. Okay. I was trying to open this, but it's like impossible. Come on. Oh, popped it. I'm gonna have these for later. It won't pop. All right. Okay, Totemica Dolce Bloom Lip and Cheek Tint in Strawberry Glam. A sweet buildable tint infused with shea butter, jojoba oil, and squalene to leave skin soft, glowy, and dewy. Made in Puerto Rico. Okay. Vegan formula. Cruelty-free. Let's try it on. Okay, so lip and cheek stain. Okay. Now, I'm not wearing any makeup. I'm just wearing my what is it called? The cream I use? I forget. Anyway, it's a little yellow bottle with a pump. I think it's Kiehl's. But I don't recall. Anyway, so all I have is that, and of course my eyebrows, because I don't want to scare anybody. So let's try it. This is really bright. Oh gosh. It's very bright. Ooh, it feels good though. It's moisturizing, you can tell. Okay, and it looks like my skin. You guys, this lighting is terrible. Hold on. My bad. Hang on. Trying to balance everything on my lap. It's not smart. Okay. Oh yeah, way better. Okay. Pat it down. Yeah, that's good. I like it. They say it's buildable, so we'll do this side natural, and let's build this one. Ugh. I look like a clown. I don't know if the lighting is good, you guys. I can't see anything on my screen right now, to be honest. I mean, I can kind of see, but Let's see. Does that? Okay, now I can see. Yeesh. Sorry, guys. Okay. I'm going to trust that it's buildable. I do not. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. It's not bad. I just. Oh, okay. Let's try that. Kind of blend it in a little. This one I just did a little bit. And this side I did a lot more. But this sucks. I'm in the car, so, you know, we'll have to do like a real try on for that. Everything is sliding off my lap. On my lips. I'm gonna use the mirror on the side view mirror here on the car. And I can't see shit because I don't even have my glasses on, so. Okay. It's not bad. I like it. It is very moisturizing. I need better light. I like it. I love it on my lips. Yeah. Oh yeah. I prefer that on my lips. But look at how nice and dewy it makes you look, you know? Like, it really is moisturizing. I just have terrible skin right now. Look at my pores. Disgusting. Anyway. So yeah. What do you think? All right. I like it. Sold. Okay, let's try and not drop you guys again, because I need to get one of those, like, car thingies. I had one in my truck, and Victor decided to take it out. I don't know why, but he did. So he just hasn't replaced it yet. Okay, next item. Ooh, the Dr. Jart Ceramiden Skin Barrier Moisturizing Face Mask. Love a face mask. I don't know if this is going to be my thumbnail or not, but. Okay. When our skin barrier needs something extra, this sheet mask is your friend. Coated in our barrier strengthening solution with ceramide, NP, and panthenol, it sends moisture levels soaring and strengthens the skin barrier. Alrighty. Nice. Definitely will be trying it this weekend. So you guys, this weekend is going to be kind of like a pampering weekend for me. I've decided because I need a break. This week, the past few weeks have been pretty draining for me with work, just because we have a new format that we're implementing. It's a long story and I don't want to get into it right now, but you know, it drains me a little. So I'm feeling a little drained. I need to kind of, you know, relax and pamper myself. Ah! I caught you in my hand though. That's fucking crazy. I caught you in my hand. Okay, sorry. What was I saying? Anyway, next. Next item. Oh, okay, the Tease Battle Prep Face Primer. Oh, I definitely need a primer. This lightweight primer helps hydrate while smoothing the skin for a more even makeup application. The clean vegan formula features passion flower, glycerin, shea butter, and vitamin E to help keep skin comfortable and prepped for long-lasting wear. Deluxe sample MSRP is $42 of the full version. Okay, so no, this is not the full version. Okay. So which means that the other one I was telling you. Oh, yeah, no, I'm sorry. The deluxe sample is not $60. The MSRP of the full-size version of that perfume is $60, which is not bad at all because it smells really good. Okay, so primer. Well, I've already got cheek stuff, so I'm not going to use the primer, but we will be trying it on later. Okay, so that's it for my Ipsy. I do want to do an outfit of the day though, because I haven't done one in a minute, so bear with me. figure out where I'm gonna set you down. And I'm not trying to, you know, do it too crazy because I'm at Victor's job and I don't want his coworkers to be like, your wife is insane. Anyway, all right, let me find a place to put you guys on. Believe it or not, this is the best place I could find. All right, so I'm wearing my boots that I got on Depop for like 25 bucks. I got some hot pink socks. I got black leggings, little kind of leggings. They're like little pants. They have a zipper and a button. And just okay, you guys, and just a black t-shirt. And of course this sweater from Temu that I love. All right, guys. What do y'all think? Hey y'all, okay, I'm at Victor's job and look, I made friends with a crow. I'm feeding him granola bars. So he's kind of picking up the nuts that fall on the ground, but he's also eating the granola that I gave him. He is so cute. Oh my God, where is he? Where'd he go? There he is, there he is. So Victor likes to feed the crows anywhere he goes, either at home, at work. This crow meets him every morning and greets him. And Victor, you know, hands him some, you know, whatever he has available. Crackers, cookies, whatever. Things like that. Oh gosh, you guys, sorry. Oh, there he goes, there he is. Yeah, so I've been throwing granola like around the car so that he or she can, you know, munch on something. And she's just hanging around. Like, she's been here for like 10 minutes. And I gave her a whole thing of granola bars, and she did take some of it. I'm saying she's a she. I don't know. Okay, but I think she's gone now. Oh, nope. She's back. Hi, baby. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Oh, what are you eating? What are you eating, cutie? I want to name her, but I don't know what to name her. Hi, Mama. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. What are you eating? Is she beautiful? I've decided I'm getting either a crow or a raven tattoo. That's for sure. So, look at how pretty. Hi, baby. Hi. You want to come over and say hello? Let me open the door. Hold on. I doubt it'll come over, but. Where are you, Mama? There you are. There you are, pretty girl. Come on. Want to say hi to you? Hi, pretty. Hi. Come here. Come say hi. Oh, it's so cute. Hey, y'all. Sorry. Oh, God, my phone is so dirty. Hold on, the lens. Let me clean it. So, yeah, today is Friday. Payday. Sorry. Are we good? Are we good? Okay. Yeah, payday. Not that it means anything because my bills are spoken for, or my money is spoken for. But you know what? That's okay. My bills are paid. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm good. I'm good. So, happy about that. Let me move this over here. Okay, so what are we doing today, guys? Not much, right? It's Friday, so you know what that means. I'm gonna go buy some drinks and probably just chill at home. Whatever. Sorry, guys. So today is my brother-in-law's birthday, Jake, and I don't know if we're gonna do anything for him. What the fuck? You guys, I'm literally look, let me show you where I'm putting you, okay? I'm leaning you on this, and it keeps like falling forward, and I'm like, what the hell? Why is it falling forward like that? It's so weird. Okay. We're gonna try it again. I don't know why my phone keeps moving. Shouldn't. Okay. All right. So yeah, it's my brother-in-law Jake's birthday. I don't know if we're gonna do anything for him because he works till midnight. So probably not tonight. Perhaps tomorrow or Sunday. I don't know. But yeah. That's it, you guys. It's Friday. I'm happy. Cute little crows near me. I fed that crow a whole bunch of granola, so, and she flew away. I'm very happy that I got to see her because Victor's like, he was telling me about her. He's like, you know what? There's this crow that I see every morning, and I greet her. She greets me, and he's like, and I always give her like, you know, whatever he has in his backpack, like snacks, granola bars, Slim Jims, you know, like anything he has in his bag. He just like, he crumbles it up and he just leaves it for the not the dog, the crow, and she'll just like swoop in and get it, just like right what she was doing right now. And I saw her. She landed on a sign that's right in front of this car. Okay, like it's in front, like a little bit to the left, but it's right here, and she was staring right at me. She knows Victor's car. Isn't that funny? Dude, crows are so freaking smart. She knows Victor's car. So she was chilling right there, just, and she was looking at me. She's like, bitch, you ain't Victor. And I'm like, oh my God. I'm like, hi. I'm Victor's wife. I'm good. I'm a good person. You can trust me. And yeah, and she just stood there. Okay, you're gonna say it's crazy, but we made eye contact. And that's when I was like fumbling around my purse to find anything. And I luckily found a granola bar that Victor gave me. So I crumpled it up and, or you know what I mean? Like I crumpled it, you know what I mean? And I didn't really have anywhere to put it. So honestly, I just started throwing it like out the window. And she waited until I was done throwing all that granola on the ground, and then she swooped in and grabbed some. And then there's like, I don't know what kind of tree this is, but it's got like these little hard round balls, and I guess there's nuts inside the balls, I think. And so if you know, you saw right now with the video that, oh, okay, good, that she took a big old piece of granola. She took some nuts and all that, and I think she was just like gathering stuff, right? So I'm hoping she'll come back right now. I don't have anything else to give her, but you know, I'm sure she'll find what she needs. But yeah, I'm like a Disney princess out here. I love it. There's neighbors around here. There's like an like a senior community. Sorry guys, I got granola all over the seat. Victor's gonna kill me right now. Okay, so there's like an elderly, oh my God, you guys, hold on. There's like a retirement community like right behind me, like an RV park. And oh my, sorry you guys. And okay, I'm all over the place right now. Sorry, I dropped you again. Sorry. So I'm hoping, oh, so these people that live in that park all of them have pets, cats, dogs, you know, everybody pretty much. And so I always see there's cats, there's dogs, people walking their pets, and just cool stuff like that. And it makes me happy. I love, well, I like people watching, but I also like animal watching. Does that make sense? Bird watching, dog watching, cat watching, all of that. Oh, I thought I had my glasses on. I was like trying to adjust them. Oh my God. Hang on, I gotta clean these real quick because they're a little dusty. Hang on. Okay, back. So, updates. I have planned 2 trips. Well, 1 trip. And the other one's just like a kind of like a staycation. So, as you know, I've probably already told you, Victor bought me a trip to Vegas for New Year's on our anniversary. And I'm freaking out right now because I was trying to find the itinerary and I can't find it. I know we booked it. I know that because we're paying for it monthly, right? And then, so I was like, dude, I can't find it. I usually book with Priceline, not sponsored, and it's not anywhere in my account. And I'm panicking because I'm like, I know that we booked it. I know that we got an email confirming it. I'm pretty sure I sent it to Victor. I could not find it in any of my old emails. I couldn't find it in any text messages. I could not find it. So Victor said he's gonna look for it when we get home, like on the desktop, because he's like, well, maybe it's just you can't access it because it's on your phone. And I'm like, I don't know. I don't think that has anything to do with it, but we'll find out. And oh, and so I was telling a coworker, Caroline, that I couldn't find my itinerary, and I was like freaking out. She's like, well, do you know what airline you're on? And I'm like, yeah, I think it's Delta, also not sponsored. And she's like, you can call Delta and they'll find your information. I was like, what? Okay. So I got on their like live chat, and I was like, hey, I can't find my trip, blah, 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 blah. So they looked it up. I gave them my information. They looked it up. They found it. And they're like, yeah, we have your reservation. I'm like, oh, thank God. Okay. So there's that. But I still need the itinerary and reservation for the Fremont Hotel. And for our ride that's picking us up. We have a private car that's picking us up and dropping us off back to the airport. So I found the flight, but I still need to find the hotel itinerary and the transportation. So wish me luck. So the reason I said I booked two things, I booked two hotels, basically. One is for New Year's in Vegas, and one is for end of May. I'm gonna be remodeling my bathroom and part of my kitchen. So they're gonna rip up a lot of stuff, and I can't be there when they're doing that. So Victor and I got a hotel room. We're gonna stay in Ventura at the Roadway Inn. It's just like a little cheesy motel, but I needed like the cheapest one I could find, So for 3 nights, 4 days, it's $235. So, I'm happy about that. Otherwise it was gonna be like more than double if I stayed here. So, I'm not a Rockefeller, okay? I gotta stay budget friendly, and I'm spending the most of the money on redoing my bathroom completely new. So they're gonna rip out the floor, like the concrete. They're gonna redo the plumbing. They're going to redo my walls, like the dry walls, and they're gonna do they call it like a wet room, instead of like just like a shower and the bath and the toilet. When you walk in, it's all tile, and there's only one drain. There's no like shower stall. There's no, you're all in one. So it's a wet room. And that's really what I wanted. I just wanted to go in there, have one drain. Everything just goes down the drain. I can keep it clean, sanitary. It's great. I love it. So that's what I'm going to get. And then, I'm getting the walls in my kitchen re-drywalled because they're a little dingy. I don't want to paint because there's too many like imperfections. And I'd rather just redo the drywall. Sorry. So my brother's, we have a handyman. Well, he's my brother's handyman. His name is Juan, but he's like family now because he's always coming over and he's always fixing our sink, our plumbing. He's a handyman, so he does everything. He redid my brother's entire home. And actually, so he had a home in one place, and Juan did that place. When my brother sold it and moved and he bought a new house, he had Juan do the entire house. So, he's trustworthy. He's good at what he does. So, and he's really nice. So yeah, so he's going to do all of my drywall, and my entire bathroom, which is not very big. It's very small. I live in a garage, you guys, in case you didn't know. It's a what do you call it? A converted garage. And, my dad was like the one that like fixed it up. He was doing too much and he messed up the plumbing. So now after like 25, 30 years, I'm going to get it redone. So, oh, there's the baby. There she is. Hi, baby. You're so cute. Hi, baby. Okay, I'm not going to bite her. Okay. Hi, pretty. Hi. Okay. She knows who I am now. So, oh, wait, she flew. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Okay. All right. Well, she left, so. Let's just call her Raven. I'm just kidding. So dumb. You guys, it's Friday. I'm delirious. I'm ready to go home. Victor doesn't get off till 3:30. Right now it's like 2:15. It'll be here before you know it. But yeah, so I still have to find the itinerary for the hotel, the transportation, but I have the one for Delta, which is good, but I want the entire booking, because I just want to have it all in one spot. But yeah, so that's it. What are we gonna do? I'm gonna go buy some groceries later. I don't know if I'm gonna cook. I think Victor said he's gonna buy me dinner, so I'm gonna take him up on that offer. I haven't cooked at all this week. Dude, I've been so lazy. But anyway. But I do have groceries. I just haven't used them. So maybe this weekend I'll make some tasty. But yeah. All right, guys. I don't really have anything else to say other than hello, and I'll be back. Talk to you later. Bye. All right, Princess Evie back with another birdie video. These two, I don't know if they are fighting or if they're doing like a mating call, but they both had their feathers like fluffed. Ew, he just pooped. They both had their feathers like fluffed up, like come get some. One of them's like a grayish color, and the other one's like a black one. I can't tell. Oh no, they're both the same. It's like a blue gray. I don't know what kind of birds they are, but I don't know if they were like fighting or trying to mate. Little birdies. As soon as I pull the camera out, they stop fighting. All right, y'all. I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you for enjoying this episode of me in the car. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.